Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss about the attributes of the paragraph tag. Okay, attributes of this paragraph tag, that is the align attribute. It is used to position or place the text written inside the paragraph tag to the certain place on a page. Like align attribute equal to right value means we want to position the paragraph at the right side of your web page. Similarly, left, center also you can position your page. Now, how to do it? For this purpose, I have already written a paragraph in which I have written 3 lines there. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you the output of this particular. Suppose I'm going to save this file first and then see. I'm changing the name also, file, and then save as. I'm saving this file with attributes of no space. I'm giving the attributes of para dot html. Okay, then save this. Now this file is saved now. Now go to the documents where you have saved this file. HTML codes. Now see, attributes of para file is there. Open it. Now see, it is looking like this. Now we are going to do certain changes in this file. So how to do it? Open this file with the notepad by right clicking on it. Now my notepad file got opened. Now what you have to do, simply where you have written P, write there align is equals to, within double quotes, the value. The values, possible values for align attributes are left, right, center and justified. And the default value also for the align attribute is left. It means if you are not specifying the align attribute inside the paragraph tag, then by default your text will be aligned to the left of the web page. As you know, it is the default alignment. In the books also, everything it gets started from the left side. But suppose here if I write there right, align is equals to right, then save the code. Now see the output. Now see my page. This is aligned to the right. Positioning. The lines gappings are equal from the right side, not from the left side. See, this is the clear difference. From the left side, first line's gapping is that much, but the second line's gapping is much more. But their right sides are at equal distances from the page. Okay, so this is the right alignment. Now, same way, I'm applying the other values of align attributes. For this purpose, suppose I'm copying this para at 3 different places. Okay, now only the changes where I'm doing. Earlier I wrote there align is equals to right. Now this time I'm writing align equal to center, and in the third para I'm writing there align is equals to left. Okay, now save your document, save, and then see the output. Now see, there are 3 different paragraphs. The first one is aligned to the right side. Second one is aligned to the center of the page. Center of the page means it will have the equal distances of each line from the left and right of the page. And the third is left aligned, means it will be at equal gapping from the left of the page. Okay, in this way you have to practice all the alignment attributes of the paragraph tag. Thank you.